Alright guys, we are set up in Weatherford. I brought both canopies because last time the sun got the iron pretty hot. I've got a couple of camp ovens down there, and we've got some lodges through here. Got some of the patriotic ones, some of the dolly ones. I think there's a Yellowstone, yeah. And then we go some just regular skillets. And then we're going to run into our squares and our sukiyaki pan. Couple of saucepans, got some griddles. We'll spin over here. We've got a wall iron, we've got some Wagners, Griswolds, an ugly hammered, some crescents. Then we get to our enameled, we got some stove, some La Creuset, got a Finex, got an IKEA, an Iron Mountain, and then we've got some Lodge and some Trementina, and I'm not sure what that one is right there, the little VB one. But then we have a big Lodge 12 over there, got a combo, got a double Dutch, got a little hibachi there, and we got the 14 shallow, the Lewis and Clark Camp Chef, and a little BSR. And that's it guys, hopefully we do well today.